So, you have probably heard of ozone before. Most folks think of the ozone layer. It protects us from the sun's harmful rays. But the ozone I'm talking about is different. It's a special kind of oxygen. Normal oxygen, O2, 2 atoms. Ozone, O3, 3 atoms. Show diagram with the activated third atom. That extra atom is unstable, wants to break away. That instability is the secret of its healing power. It makes ozone very reactive. When the third oxygen breaks off, it can do amazing things in the body. It acts like a supercharger. It helps cells work better. It can kill harmful invaders, bacteria, viruses, fungi. Think of your body as a car engine. Sometimes the engine is dirty and runs poorly. Ozone is like a high-grade fuel cleaner. It cleans the gunk and helps the engine run smoothly again. One of the biggest things ozone therapy does, honestly, is fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation, it's a silent problem. Heart disease, arthritis, autoimmune conditions. Feeling old and tired. Ozone helps calm inflammation. It does this by balancing the production of substances in your body called cytokines. Some cytokines create inflammation, others reduce it. Ozone helps your body make more of the calming ones and less of the inflammatory ones. This helps to restore balance. It's a bit like having a fire in your house. Ozone therapy doesn't just pour water on the flames. It helps to fix the faulty wiring that started the fire in the first place. Another major benefit is a stronger, smarter immune system. Your immune system is your personal army. It fights off invaders like bacteria, viruses. Sometimes this army can get weak. Or in autoimmune disease, it can get confused and attack your own body. Ozone acts like a training coach for your immune army. When ozone is introduced into the body, it creates a small, controlled amount of oxidative stress. Now, this isn't a bad thing. It's a bit like a practice drill. It wakes up immune cells, helps them recognize real threats while leaving healthy tissues alone. This immune modulation is why ozone helps such a wide range of conditions. Ozone is also, well, incredible for improving your energy levels. How does it do this? It all comes down to oxygen. Your cells have tiny power plants called mitochondria. These mitochondria use oxygen to create ATP, your body's energy currency. Everything you do, from blinking to thinking, uses ATP. Ozone therapy helps red blood cells carry and release more oxygen to tissues. It also makes mitochondria more efficient at using that oxygen. The result is more energy. You feel less tired. Your brain works better. Your body repairs faster. Finally, ozone therapy is a powerful detoxifier. We're exposed to toxins in food, water, and air. They can build up and make us sick. Ozone helps your body eliminate toxins by enhancing liver and kidney function and oxidizing some toxins directly. Reducing the overall toxic load frees energy for healing and regeneration. It's like spring cleaning for your insides. So what is ozone therapy? Using medical-grade ozone to create a healing response. Not about breathing ozone. That can irritate lungs. We can mix it with a small amount of your blood, dissolve it in saline for IV, apply to skin, all designed to stimulate the body's natural healing mechanisms and help people find relief. The use of medical ozone is backed by a large body of scientific evidence. For decades, it's been studied and used in Germany, Russia, Italy, and Cuba, with thousands of papers. It isn't magic, it's biochemistry and hormesis, a small controlled stress that triggers a positive adaptation. Chronic fatigue syndrome, or CFS, is a really frustrating condition. A deep, persistent exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. This is where ozone therapy can make a real difference. Many with CFS have poorly functioning mitochondria, the cell power plants. Ozone therapy improves oxygen delivery and mitochondrial function. More ATP is produced. For someone with CFS, it can feel like a light switch turning on. Hidden chronic infections can also play a role. Viruses or intracellular bacteria. Ozone can inactivate microbes on contact and stimulate your immune system. A 1-2 punch that helps break the fatigue cycle. Now, to be clear, ozone therapy is not officially recognized a cure for cancer. It's a supportive therapy alongside other conventional allopathic modalities, but it's up to each patient to decide which route to take. But here at Medical Traveling, we support holistic approach. Cancer cells thrive in low oxygen. Ozone increases oxygenation, making tumors less hospitable and more vulnerable to treatment. It may improve effectiveness and tolerance of conventional care, helping patients feel stronger during treatment. It helps protect healthy cells from damage while making cancer cells more susceptible. The result can be better quality of life and fewer interruptions to care. Note, the FDA in the US has not approved ozone therapy, though it is standardized and used in many countries. Worldwide groups like the World Federation of Ozone Therapy and the International Scientific Committee publish safety guidelines such as the Madrid Declaration. The most common and effective forms are systemic. They treat the whole body. The gold standard is major autohemotherapy, or MAH. A small amount of your blood, about 100 to 200 milliliters, is collected into a sterile IV bag. A precise dose of medical ozone gas is injected and gently mixed. Ozone instantly reacts with red and white blood cells. Then the activated blood is dripped back through the same IV line in a closed, safe system. MAH boosts oxygenation and immune function for a body-wide effect. Another popular method is the ozonated saline drip. Ozone is bubbled through sterile saline until saturated. The ozonated saline is administered via a standard IV. Great for people with difficult veins or when a blood draw is not ideal. Effects are a bit more diluted than MAH, but still systemic and effective. It adds gentle hydration and bloodstream antimicrobial effects, helpful for detox and inflammation. For a more intensive treatment, 10-pass hyperbaric ozone therapy. Blood is drawn, mixed with ozone under pressure, and returned, repeated up to 10 passes. This treats a larger blood volume at higher concentration. Often used for severe chronic conditions like Lyme disease, autoimmune disorders, and as aggressive support in oncology. Direct intravenous injection, or DIV, uses very small amounts of ozone gas injected very slowly into a vein. Must be performed by highly trained practitioners. Gas injected too quickly can be dangerous. When done correctly, it can be effective. EBU is like dialysis for your blood, continuously filtered and ozonated, then returned. A powerful detox for severe toxicity and chronic disease. Not all ozone therapy involves needles. There are non-invasive options for localized issues or general wellness. One of the most relaxing methods is the ozone sauna cabin. Your head stays outside, so you don't breathe ozone. Warm steam opens pores while ozone is introduced and absorbed through the skin. A gentle full-body treatment that promotes detox through sweating and delivers benefits into circulation. Another technique is body or limb bagging. The area is isolated in a sealed bag, air removed, and ozone slowly introduced. Ozone contacts the skin directly, killing microbes, reducing inflammation, and stimulating blood flow to promote healing. The full-body version encloses from the neck down to achieve broader effects without an IV. Great for widespread skin issues like psoriasis and eczema, plus gentle detox and immune support. While not as powerful as systemic treatments like MAH or 10-pass for internal disease, sauna and bagging are excellent for skin, localized pain, poor circulation, and health maintenance. Simple, safe, and surprisingly comfortable. Many find these non-invasive options a great introduction to ozone, spa-like with real therapeutic benefits. We have covered a lot of ground today. Ozone, O3, a supercharged form of oxygen that can help dial down inflammation and boost cellular energy. It acts as a master regulator, making your immune system smarter and more efficient. It is a powerful tool against chronic fatigue and a supportive ally with conventional cancer care, helping patients feel stronger. Systemic options, major autohemotherapy, 10-pass and EBU, direct bloodstream delivery for maximum effect. Non-invasive options, ozone sauna and limb bagging for localized issues and wellness. There is an ozone therapy option to suit almost every need and comfort level. Before you begin, speak with a qualified healthcare professional trained in ozone therapy. A knowledgeable practitioner will determine if ozone is right for you, which modality fits best, and the proper dosage. They can answer questions and guide you safely. Ozone therapy is a powerful tool. It must be used correctly. With the right guidance, it could be the key to unlocking a new level of health and vitality for you. As a general advice, it's better to start with a healthcare professional who is specialized in ozone therapy and follow evidence-based protocols. Once you have made yourself familiar with it, some modalities can also be done at home on your own. Ozone therapy. Simple, elegant, and powerful when done safely. If you're curious, start a conversation with a trained provider today. If you like the video, please share, comment, and subscribe.